Hey guys, I'm fishing at Hoover today. I'm going after catfish. Well, I had shrimp, but I caught one on a classic lure with the Roadrunner here. Put him on the net here. Looks like a little channel. Yep. Nice way to start the day here. Only been out here for like 10 minutes. I've been trying to mark schools here and just kind of fishing for bass and crappie with this little old Roadrunner with a little sonar. Not sonar, sonar is the plastic, but the Roadrunner is the jig head there. Not a bad little channel. Off you go. Yeah, today I'm gonna fish for shrimp for catfish. I'm also gonna, you know, fish for whatever hits this little sonar by Yum and a little Roadrunner. Good old classic little lure there. It still works till today. All right. He wasn't deep at all. He was like in a couple feet of water. But yeah, as I said, today we're on Hoover, one of the best catfishing lakes here in Ohio. So I'm gonna keep on working my fish finder here, try to find me a school of them, and then go from there. And crappie and bass fish, well, I'm trying to find a school. But that was a good start right there. We got one, guys, on the shrimp here. Let's see what we got here. Not they're all too bad. Right out of the way. All right. Woo. All right. Ooh, a pretty decent sized trailer here. Oh, he's gonna get me on the spot. Oh, got him. All right. Now, that's a good channel catfish right there. Get my tool here. Love these circle hooks. They just get them right in there. Don't you have to set the hook, they just get hooked themselves. I just gotta get that hook out. Let's see, you guys in your rolls here. There he goes, coming out. Oh, dude, you aren't going nowhere. Open up, buddy. Oh, there we go. Now that's a nice channel right there. Beautiful channel right there. All right, off you go. Yes, I love it when a plan comes together. Trying drifting out of my spot now, but anyway, yep, just using a circle hook with some shrimp with a 1/4 ounce egg sinker there. I'm about to get back on my spot here. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. One second, let's paddle back here. So I get myself stuck on this little island. So I'm right here, but I'm in a kind of a, I don't know what you want to call a little channel back here with a bunch of little islands. I have a channel over here. I have the main channel going out to the main lake out here. So I'm casting one shrimp out here in this channel and one straight out over there, straight out over there, just to cover my bases. I say the shrimp. Got one, guys. I was just drifting my shrimp. Oh man, I'm gonna get my rod out of the way. A little channel. We'll just pop him up. Just a little guy. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Alright, just a little guy. Yeah, now I'm just drifting my shrimp right now. Instead of staying at one spot at a time. Hoping to catch some crappie, maybe use some cut bait here, but we'll see. So far the shrimp's doing all right. Just gotta reposition my boat here. Oh, I got stuff everywhere. A little bit better channel. A little bit better. Alright, we're gonna do the roll. Alright, I gotcha. Here. Alright. That's number 3. Trolling the shrimp's working out really good now. Reposition here. Not bad channel cat. All right. Gotcha. Not a bad one. Getting all the channels in. Anything else? No blues, no flats. I'm fine with that as long as it's catching fish. I'm happy with that.